Good morning. Today I am going to present a solution to truly go paperless and incorporate digital handwriting on the PC, in the cloud, and on the mobile devices. This is intuitive, so most people can pick this up, and there's no hard fast rule, except the solution I have is pretty handy and has freed me from paper. Now, as you can see, I got daily lists, I have notes, I have day timers with calendars and all of that, and then I have journals with all the goodies in it. I have binders, and I am well organized. However, I am a chronic writer, and I found a solution where all of this now is unnecessary. Let me just do a little stage management here. Now, I am running Windows 7, of course, and that's all we'll say about that. Also using a bamboo stylus, very handy for handwriting. This is a program called PDF Annotator. It is basically, you can scan documents in, they become PDFs, or you can print to it. Print to PDF Annotator. There are many apps like this. Adobe is probably one, and there are several others. This was reasonably priced. So I have a sample PDF here. This is a form, printable daily planner that you can get on the internet, and I have a sample schedule here. Also over here you see the thumbnail of this, and then your annotating tools are here. You can also type on this, so on and so forth. Now, so let's just take a look at this. Now I'm going to put it in red. I click the red, and let's just say this, I've already met with John today, and I've already called Sam, and lunchtime coming, and of course after lunch I have to go to the gym. I just have to. Okay, and then, you know, these are just some sample notes over here and some things that I have to do. This is just an idea. Now, and you can put any, as I said, any document, any template. They have a couple of built-in templates here. Going to the thumbnail, you can right-click, and you can insert a page. Now I'm going to insert one of the notebook pages here that is pretty handy. Okay, and you just open it, and lo and behold, you have a blank page. Now you can also move the page down or up or wherever you want it, let's say in this list of documents. Again, over here you can type, you can draw, you can on the bamboo stylus, it's very nice. You can write something like this, taking notes without paper. Okay, also it has a very nice zoom feature on it, so if you want to be neat, you can be neat and utilize your space better. There are also over here different sizes of pens and so on and so forth. Also, another little neat feature is that I can, I think it's over here on Edit, I can on Document, I can insert any document from anywhere into here. So if I want to have other notes, or if I want to have journal notes, or if I want to have, so basically my files have become my notebook, my day timer, my notepad, so on and so forth. Okay, now let's take this and we're going to save as, let's just change this to, I'm going to, for the sake of, I'm going to put a test. Alright, a test 1. Okay, so we're going to save this document. Okay, now it's, oh, by the way, I'm sorry, it's saved as, you can save it to I'm saving it to Dropbox, but you can save it to G Drive, you could save it to SkyDrive, to, SugarSync, any other Sky cloud apps. Great. Alright, so now here's where you can free yourself from paper once and for all. Because now we've covered the PC and the cloud. Okay, what about the mobile device? So now I've got my daily note here. Now I'm on the go. I'm traveling, whatever. Okay. Now I have my Android device. So I'm going to use this in I can't use the iPad because I'm using it now to do the video. So I open Dropbox here, and I go down and I'm looking for where is it? Yeah? A test. Now, can you see that there? A test. And 1 minute, it was saved a minute ago. See that? Click on that. Now it's giving me these options where I can open it on the Android device. You have many options. You can email it, Repligo, you can open it with Google Office, you can open it with the iAnnotate, Adobe. I like Easy PDF Reader. So I click this and I go down here and I'm going to open it once. Okay, just once. Lo and behold, we have, let's see, we got this here and we got this here. Let's see the next page. Oh, look what we got. We got here, here. Now, what I want to do is I want to annotate on this device. So, this being a Samsung Galaxy Note, hold on one second, 2, I can simply, for the sake of demonstration, go to the pen here, and I don't want to make a copy, but you can make an additional copy that will be saved here. I have a nice color, so I want to put this. Or I can also, if I want to go back, I can zoom this, make this real big here, and actually be neat and write. Well, let's see, go back here. Change colors if you like, very, very nice. Well, I want blue. And write on the line. And this is not the best, my best handwriting. Okay, so you get the idea. Now you can do, as I say, you can type on this, you can dictate, and the Samsung Galaxy is a nice transcriber, or you can just do digital notes. Now, okay, I go back here, and I'm back here, and I just tap here, and up comes my options over here. So now I want to send this back to the Dropbox, or I could set, let's just say I want to send it to Google Drive. Just once. Or, and then it's just save it on Google Drive, that's fine. So now it's everywhere that I can access Google Drive. Or, I can send it to Dropbox. Now let me see. Send to, back to Dropbox. And now it's going to say, I'm going to add it, and it's going to say replace, which I'm going to do. Okay, now let's go back. So now I made my update here. What I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to close this one. Okay, see, I'm going to close it because it technically no longer exists. And then I'm going to open, and I'm going to see this one here, the A-test1. It's sitting in my Dropbox file, along with some other files. And I'm opening it up, and I messed it up. But anyway, I think I should have saved. Let's just see if I can. All right, let me see what I can do here to go back. But anyway, you get the point that it will save. The other thing I can do over here is change the name. I can go down here and I can put save as whatever I want here. I can put copy to or whatever. Just change the name. Save. And then send it. Let's see. Send it back to Dropbox. Now it's not going to be any problem. Now I go back here and now I'm opening a different file technically. So you see it's here, and now you can see clearly with my annotation. So basically you can fiddle with that. It usually is pretty seamless. But basically you could go back and forth on the same piece of digital paper, handwriting, typing, text, any kind of document, because you can print a PDF, you can scan the PDF, and therefore each file will represent your day timer, your journal, your binder, your notebook, or whatever you want, and you can control you don't have all this paper to look for. Or the problem sometimes with the date timers is you take notes today, then you got to go back to yesterday and just retranscribe them. This way that step is eliminated. And sometimes you'll find that if you do a good set of notes,